I recently got this nunchuck for my kids after they watched the movie, and I realized that due to its folding properties, this can be a good thing to carry in your bag or purse. The thing is that this nunchuck was made out of foam and plastic, so I decided to make a new one made out of wood. I bought this metal thing that AliExpress described as 304 stainless steel eye swivel anchor chain connector. Yes. And the bolt inside needs to be removed. The thing kept spinning, which made it a little difficult to cut. Even made my small Dremel disc cutter leave the machine. I removed the chain from a door chain lock, but it's possible to use any chain. A new broomstick cut into two 27 centimeter pieces. Make a small cut in the first and last link on the chain. Push inside the thin connector. I then welded the space in the chain link. It's absolutely not necessary. Engrave the channel logo on the stick. Sand the edges. Drill in the center of the two sticks. And screw the link connector thing, but do not tighten all the way, so it can spin freely. I coated it with walnut color varnish. I practice a little. Demonstration of few months of practice with help of AI.